Hi, welcome to Tina's Tasty Treats. Today we're going to be making a roasted pepper hummus. And here I have 8 ounces of peppers or 12 mini peppers. I also have 2 small cloves of garlic. And I'm going to throw these in with the peppers skin on because I don't want the garlic to burn, but I do want to get it to cook a little bit. So season these with olive oil, salt and pepper. And then we're going to throw it in the oven on a high broil until they're heavily charred. Space them out just a little bit. Perfect. And throw them right in. So while those are broiling, I have 2 15-ounce cans of garbanzo beans, and we're going to strain them, but reserve the liquid, which is called Aquafaba, for later. I also have 2 lemons that we're going to juice. Give them a nice roll. And we might not be using all of the liquid, but it's good to have on reserve. See, I like this char because it's really heavy, but we're going to go ahead and flip these and try and get it on the other side as well. So this is the type of char that I like to add. I think it really enhances the sugars and the peppers, and it also makes it easier in the end to remove the skin. Throw it all in the bowl that we had previously used. And we're gonna wrap it in some plastic. Some plastic ready to go here. Let it sit and steam for about 5 to 10 minutes. And the skin will come off really easy. So now that our peppers are cooling down, we're gonna go ahead and start adding everything to our food processor. So here are 2 cans of garbanzo beans. Throw it right in. Give it a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and I like to do it slowly because you want it to kind of emulsify it. 1 cup of tahini, and you can buy this at the store or you can make your own. So I have a video on how to make your own. It's really easy, super cheap, and it doesn't take more than 5 minutes of your time. Throw 1 cup of that in with the garbanzo beans. And our lemon juice. I'm only going to add about half to start because I don't want it too acidic. So just a little bit to start, and then we can always add more of it. As well as just my handy dandy food processor tool. Let's do about 1/4 of a cup just to get it started. Season it, salt and pepper. And blend it. I like to give it a couple pulses just to get it going. So I did add a 1/4 cup of Aquafaba and 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. Tasting it, it definitely needs more acid. So we're gonna finish off with 1 teaspoon of cumin and the rest of our lemon juice, as well as some more salt. So now that our peppers have been resting for about 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and de-seed them and de-skin them. Actually, I'm just gonna pour it all on and be like, whoop. And make sure you do your best to remove all of the skin and all of the seeds inside as well. So now that our peppers have been properly cleaned, we're going to reserve about 3 peppers for garnish. And the rest, we're gonna go ahead and add it into the food processor and blend it all up. So to finish off, I added 1 more ounce of extra virgin olive oil, which is about a ½ cup total. We're going ahead and plate this and finish it off with smoked paprika, our peppers that we had chopped up and reserved, another drizzle of olive oil, and some parsley garnish. Wow, doesn't that look gorgeous? I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. And normally I do toasted naan or even carrot sticks, but I've got some sliced baguette. Kind of get a little bit of everything on it. Wow, I seasoned this really well. It's seasoned well. Super creamy, and the extra virgin olive oil really helps with that, as well as it's got this slight sweetness from the roasted peppers. And this is a very versatile dish. You can go any route with it. If you want to do like jalapenos, make it spicy, I've done that many times. But please like, subscribe, and share my video, and I'll see you next time at Tina's Tasty Treats.